if you expect some ultimate fulfillment, ultimate happiness, then you're telling the world in whatever form it manifests to you, you're telling the world, make me happy. You place expectations upon the world that it cannot meet. So the world includes whatever happens to you, whatever other people, places, activities, relationships. That's all the world, what you own, experiences on the level of form. All that is fine, is part of the dance of life. But if you expect it to make you happy, it's frustrating. If you no longer expect these things to make you happy, they actually are quite pleasant. You can experience many things as very pleasant things. You visit new places, it's nice. You don't expect that some place you should find some ultimate fulfillment just because you moved from A to B. Or you meet a new person, a relationship, without placing an impossible demand upon the other person. Looking for the ultimate spiritual partner to make me happy. Please apply here. Send your photo too. So when you don't have the expectation that this person should make you happy, then the relationship actually works much better. But how can you not have that expectation? Only if at the same time that you operate on the level of form, you also are connected with the essence of who you are. You also realize experientially in the present moment the meaning of the letter E, the inscription, you are. So what the inscription is telling you is to have that realization in the background of your life, so to speak, continuously. To have that inner spaciousness continuously as a backdrop, so to speak, to your life. So when you do things, not just when you meditate, not just, although it's nice to have glimpses of it or realizations when there are people who've been meditating for 20 years and never even had a glimpse of that, because they always try to get somewhere through their meditation, not realizing the meditation is not a doing. So if you practice meditation as a doing, you'll continuously miss it, because doing implies you want to get somewhere, which means it keeps you trapped on the surface level. Because only on the surface level you can get somewhere. On the depth level you already are somewhere, or nowhere. On the depth level, that's the letter E, you are, the beingness, to know, and that is the inner spaciousness where that consciousness that you are transcends the person. And that is where the sense of being at home, or to put it in a more conventional language, to be comfortable, there's an expression in English, to be comfortable in your own skin. Of course, it's more than that, it's deeper than in your own skin, but it points to that, to feel that sense of rootedness in something indestructible. And that is knowing that you are.